LG presents front-load washing machine with steam technology. LG's front-load washing machine features steam technology that pre-treat any stain or dirt before washing by applying intense heat of the steam. Steam wash helps wash clothes hygienically, killing 99.9% of the germs, while steam refresh program refreshes cloth in just 20 minutes without any water and detergent. They are also equipped with other features like thin queue and turbo wash 360. 8,000 plus COVID-19 cases recorded in India in 24 hours for first time. Death surpasses 5,000. Coronavirus cases in India have increased to 1,82,143. Government announced on Sunday with a jump of 8,380 cases in last 24 hours. This is the first time that India has recorded over 8,000 cases in 24 hours, making the biggest one-day jump so far. Coronavirus death toll in the country has surged to 5,164, while 86,984 patients have been cured, discharged, migrated. San Francisco-based Springboard offers UI/UX design course in India. Online learning platform Springboard is offering its 9-month job guarantee UI/UX design course in India to aims to match participate with a top designer in India as their personal 1:1 mentor throughout, ensuring that they gain complete knowledge of UI/UX design through a personal career coach. Springboard also ensure that learners get a job or their money back. We want to invite India and others. G7 very outdated route Trump as he delays summit. US President Donald Trump has announced he is postponing the G7 summit scheduled to take place in June and want to invite 4 additional countries: India, Russia, Australia, and South Korea. I am postponing it because I don't feel as a G7 it probably represents what's going on in the world. It's very outdated group of countries, Trump said. Taylor Swift, we will vote Trump out. Post become her most liked tweet ever. Taylor Swift's tweet criticizing US President Donald Trump over his when the looting star. This shooting star tweet against protesters in Minnesota has become her most liked tweet with over 1.8 million likes. We will vote you out in November, she wrote in tweet. This comes amid protests across US after African American man George Floyd death due to police brutality.